GMP Quiz Part 1. Are you ready? Question 1. A production record shows a temperature check was missed. The operator fills it in later from memory. What is the correct GMP practice? A. Complete records before the end of the shift. B. Complete records in real time as the activity happens. C. Complete records when convenient if accurate. The correct answer is B. Complete records in real time as the activity happens. Question 2. A food handler has a minor cut on their finger. What is the correct GMP practice? A. Avoid using that hand. B. Continue working carefully. C. Cover with a waterproof plaster and wear a glove. The correct answer is C. Cover with a waterproof plaster and wear a glove. Question 3. Raw chicken is stored above ready-to-eat food in a chiller. What is the correct GMP practice? A. Keep all food at the same level if covered. B. Store raw food below ready-to-eat food. C. Separate only if space allows. The correct answer is B. Store raw food below ready-to-eat food. Question 4. A clean surface looks visually clean after wiping. What is the correct GMP practice? A. Visual cleanliness is sufficient. B. Cleaning is only needed at end of shift. C. Cleaning must be followed by proper sanitizing. The correct answer is C. Cleaning must be followed by proper sanitizing. Question 5. A thermometer is used daily but has not been checked for accuracy. What is the correct GMP practice? A. Verify, calibrate equipment regularly. B. Replace only if it breaks. C. Share between staff to confirm readings. The correct answer is A. Verify, calibrate equipment regularly. Question 6. A delivery of chilled food arrives slightly above the required temperature. What is the correct GMP practice? A. Accept if it looks fine. B. Accept and cool it down quickly. C. Reject or assess according to procedure. The correct answer is C. Reject or assess according to procedure. Question 7. A staff member is unsure about a procedure but continues working. What is the correct GMP practice? A. Continue and correct later. B. Stop and ask for guidance. C. Follow what others are doing. The correct answer is B. Stop and ask for guidance. Question 8. Food is left uncovered during preparation in a busy kitchen. What is the correct GMP practice? A. Leave uncovered for easy access. B. Cover only at the end of production. C. Protect food from contamination. Cover when not in use. The correct answer is C. Protect food from contamination. Cover when not in use. Question 9. A pest is spotted briefly in the production area. What is the correct GMP practice? A. Ignore unless seen again. B. Report immediately according to procedure. C. Deal with it personally and continue. The correct answer is B. Report immediately according to procedure. Question 10. 2 batches of the same product are mixed without identification. What is the correct GMP practice? A. Mix if produced on the same day. B. Mix if ingredients are the same. C. Maintain full traceability and batch control. The correct answer is C. Maintain full traceability and batch control. Question 11. A food handler returns from a break and puts on gloves before starting work. What is the correct GMP practice? A. Wash hands before putting on gloves. B. Gloves are enough if they are new. C. Only wash hands if they feel dirty. The correct answer is A. Wash hands before putting on gloves. Question 12. A cleaning schedule is signed off, but the area still has visible food debris. What is the correct GMP practice? A. Signing is enough if cleaning was planned. B. Cleaning must be verified, not just recorded. C. Clean again at the end of the shift. The correct answer is B. Cleaning must be verified, not just recorded. Question 13. A supplier delivers products without proper labels. What is the correct GMP practice? A. Accept if it's a known supplier. B. Store separately until needed. C. Reject or follow non-conformance procedure. The correct answer is C. Reject or follow non-conformance procedure. Question 14. A staff member is wearing jewelry while handling food. What is the correct GMP practice? A. Allowed if it does not fall off. B. Only remove large items. C. No jewelry except permitted items, e.g. plain band ring if policy allows. The correct answer is C. No jewelry except permitted items. For example, a plain band ring if policy allows. Question 15. Condensation is dripping from the ceiling above a food prep area. What is the correct GMP practice? A. Wipe surfaces more frequently. B. Stop production and control contamination risk. C. Ignore if it is only water. The correct answer is B. Stop production and control contamination risk. We hope you enjoyed the quiz. Like, follow, and share for more food safety GMP and HACCP quizzes. See you next time.